Hello guys, this is Alex here, Car Guy, and today I want to make this video about replacing the drive belt of my 1997 Mercedes S320. This is basically the serpentine drive belt, and I want to show you how you basically do that procedure. It is very easy on this vehicle actually. You don't need to remove the fan clutch. So let me show you the procedure and we'll go from there. So all you need is a 15 millimeter socket with this size of an extension. Let me show you the procedure basically. And at first I want to inform you, I already put the new belt on, but I want to show you how you do it because it's very easy. First you want to remove this, and you want to be careful not to break this plastic piece like I did. Okay, so I'm gonna order a new one of this, but basically you want to carefully pry it on both sides on this, and then it goes on to here, so that creates a little bit room. Then you want to remove this plastic clip right here. You just squeeze that top and remove that, and what that will do is that will release the fan shroud cover right here, and all you do is then you spin it to the right, and then you gotta wiggle it out of the radiator fan shroud. So let me do that and I'll show you how you remove that. You have to be careful kind of around that hose and remove that. You don't have to remove this hose right here, cooling hose. Gotta be careful with this real quick. Actually, I'm gonna move my phone down real quick. Okay, I'm done. So now I removed this fan shroud cover. We can leave it on the side, okay? And then again, you just lift that hose up. I mean, you don't have to remove it. I saw some videos that they showed this removed. You don't have to remove that at all. And then what you want to do, best way to do this, and then guys, this is a procedure if you're doing just the drive belt, not if you're doing the tension or anything else on it. So let me show you how I did it. So you basically squeeze in through here. You put, it's a 15 millimeter, and so this is the tensioner right here. Okay, so now it's all in there, and then what you do is you literally just pry to the right and you release the tension on that belt. You see and how you release it, and then you remove it from the groove. Okay, so I wanted to show you the rotation of the belt as well once you do that. Okay, so it goes to, you remove it from the pulley, and then you have belts go over here. So you got the power steering pump and the I believe the air compressor underneath. Okay, so it goes on to two pulleys, then goes through here, which is the water pump, I believe, and then goes through here, rotating. This is a tensioner right here, and then we have alternator pulley right down there, and then underneath it goes around, I believe this is actually the water pump, and then goes around the actual tensioner itself. Okay, and then all you have to do is then once you remove the belt, you have to measure, make sure they're the same. And then I purchased the OEM belt, so these were identical. Like I told you, this was already the new one in there. Make sure the grooves, they fit right onto the grooves perfectly. Okay, when you do that, and then check out the condition of the old belt. I mean, it's really in rough shape. There's cracks. It's definitely an old one. And then so here's the part number, guys. I actually purchased the belt and a tensioner. Part number for the belt is 010-997-8892, and then this cost $67. I purchased it original from the dealer from Mercedes-Benz of Seattle, and the reason why I did that, this is a vehicle right now I'm keeping, so I want to have good parts on it that will last me longer. So pretty much that's the procedure, guys, of replacing the belt of the M104 engines. Again, like I said, I already put the new one in there. There's no squeaks or anything like that. So belt like this, you know, will last you a long time. Again, you can get a lot cheaper one, as low as around 25 bucks. I'd recommend for something like this. It's not that expensive part, going OEM, but pretty much this is the procedure of replacing drive belt on your M104 engine. You just need that 15 millimeter, then you remove it, you route the new belt in there, and then you're done and you're good to go. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that video helps. Replacing this is actually the same procedure for the E-Class M104 inline 6, and hopefully that video helps. Like and subscribe, and then let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you.